But yeah, like I said, we're going to be going to a boat map, and I gotta tell my cousin the code so he can test out these boats. So let's see. I'm not gonna use this boat launch here, but the code is 1114. I'm not using this boat launch. I'm gonna use a better boat launch. So
what's the code again?
1114. You meet me by the house, Evan?
Yes, sir.
Well, it won't let him join, but I'm gonna go ahead and test mine out. That's okay, Evan.
Wait.
4. It's not working, so I'm just gonna cruise on down this road.
I know a better boat launch.
You shouldn't have been waiting on there. It's probably why.
I wasn't waiting on there. I had to watch a video because I tried to see how fast my dirt bike was going in the mud. I was going to see how fast it went because I haven't put that sticker in the
But yeah, I'm gonna cruise down this road. I'm gonna go to the boat launch that's down this road. I'm gonna test my boat out. It looks like it's pretty nice. It's still got mud on my truck, which is fine. I mean, I'm country, so it doesn't really bother me. Not being racist or anything to other people that aren't country, but so, well, when I said I'm country, I really like to go in the mud and stuff. So that's not what I meant by if y'all took it the wrong way, because I'm sorry. But I'm gonna use this boat launch. I want you to comment down below, like and subscribe if you like my truck and if you like my boat whenever it's going in the water. But mostly comment if you liked my boat and truck, like if you like my boat, and then subscribe if you like my truck boat mix and my video.
What about me? On the other video.
Uh-oh.
Other video when we picked up the boats.
I'm just trying not to crash here. But I think this right here is a good place to start off with. So I'm just going to detach my trailer and swap vehicles. Okay, just cruise on off the trailer. Going pretty well. This is a pretty nice boat. I'm gonna thank my friend for this one. Needs a little help on the steering, but woo! My drift right here. I like this boat though. But I really want y'all to comment down below if y'all like this boat. I'm sorry if I say comment down below or like and subscribe too much. It's just, this is my second video. My fourth, the other 2 videos had to be deleted. I don't know why. I just deleted them for some unknown reason. But this is my first ever YouTube channel. And so I've never really, you know, made videos and told people to subscribe and like and comment. But I like this boat. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna thank my friend. I hope you like your boat, Evan.
Well,
do you like your boat?
I haven't tried it out yet.
You gotta go try it out.
I can't. Because I want to try it out with you.
Whoa, there's a problem there, because you can't.
No, like, let's go to another map and see if it works.
It's not gonna work that way, Evan.
Why?
I'm just telling you, it's not.
Well, it might. It might. It might. Hey, I don't think we've tried our boats out on this map. This map.
I don't even remember where I put my truck in. Oh wait, never mind, I don't do.
I'm just gonna go try out my boat at some.
Okay, that doesn't bother me.
Yeah,
Go try out your boat.
this. Look.
Just. You might have bad internet connection. Yeah. Turn off your Wi-Fi and then try turning it back on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I actually can't find where I put my truck and trailer.
I know where it's at.
I don't know.
I know where it's at, bro.
I got it, Ivan. I'm trying to figure it out myself.
Why'd you say my real name?
I'm sorry, guys, if this is taking too long, but oh wait, there's my boat and my trailer. I'm dumb. But yeah, this looks like a nice truck to me.
You gotta
roll it down,
tell
Evan.
You gotta tell him the noise. You gotta tell him the noise.
I'm gonna go ahead and park it here. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't have my sound up the whole time.
Tell him whose truck this is.
So. Huh, I didn't attach the trailer. I forgot. I don't know why right now, but I was just forgetting a bunch of stuff. Okay, there it goes. But yeah. I'm just gonna park my boat at my house right here. And, well, that was my boat. Like and subscribe and comment. Okay, bye.